The upgraded motorized floating bridge, UMFB, developed by ITW Major Quinton, is a next-generation solution designed to improve the speed, efficiency, and safety of military bridging operations. This cutting-edge bridge system is engineered for rapid deployment in challenging environments, allowing forces to quickly establish crossings over rivers and other water obstacles, even under hostile conditions. The UMFB features powerful motorized pontoons, enabling the bridge to automatically align and connect sections without the need for heavy manual labor. This automation reduces setup time, making the bridge operational in a fraction of the time compared to traditional systems. Additionally, the upgraded motors provide enhanced propulsion and stability, allowing the bridge to accommodate heavier loads and withstand stronger currents. Built with durability and versatility in mind, the UMFB is constructed from lightweight, high-strength materials that ensure long-term reliability in harsh environments. Its modular design allows for easy transport and reconfiguration, making it adaptable to various mission requirements. Whether supporting rapid troop movements or facilitating the transport of heavy equipment, the ITW Major Quinton upgraded motorized floating bridge is a vital asset in modern military engineering, ensuring that forces can maintain mobility and operational tempo in any terrain. The Anduril Lattice Counter-Drone System is an advanced and comprehensive defense solution specifically designed to protect against the growing threat of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Utilizing cutting-edge artificial intelligence, machine learning, and autonomous technologies, the Lattice system can detect, identify, and track drones in real time, offering a dynamic and proactive approach to counter-drone operations. Equipped with a network of sensors, radars, and optical systems, Lattice continuously monitors the airspace, providing 360-degree surveillance and rapid threat assessment. Upon detecting a drone, the system can autonomously deploy various countermeasures, including electronic jamming, kinetic interceptors, or laser systems, depending on the threat level and mission requirements. The modular and scalable design of the Lattice system allows it to be integrated into various environments, from urban areas to military installations. Its adaptability ensures that it can evolve alongside emerging drone technologies, making it a future-proof solution for safeguarding critical assets and infrastructure. Whether deployed for defense, public safety, or commercial security, the Anduril Lattice Counter-Drone System offers a robust and reliable shield against the increasing complexity of drone threats. The NIM or RIV, Rapid Intervention Vehicle, is a high-performance, tactical vehicle designed for rapid deployment in critical missions where speed, agility, and firepower are essential. Engineered for special forces and rapid response units, the NIM or RIV combines advanced off-road capabilities with cutting-edge technology to deliver exceptional performance in the most demanding environments. Powered by a robust engine, the NIM or RIV boasts impressive acceleration and top speed, allowing it to quickly traverse rough terrain, deserts, and urban areas. Its lightweight yet durable chassis ensures maximum maneuverability, while the advanced suspension system absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing a smooth ride over obstacles and challenging landscapes. The vehicle is equipped with state-of-the-art communications and navigation systems, enabling real-time coordination and situational awareness during missions. Its open architecture allows for modular customization, accommodating a range of weapon systems, surveillance equipment, and defensive measures tailored to specific mission requirements. The Nimr RIV can be armed with machine guns, grenade launchers, and other tactical weapons, making it a formidable asset in direct action, reconnaissance, and extraction operations. Designed with a focus on crew safety, the Nimr RIV features reinforced armor and blast protection, shielding occupants from small arms fire and explosive threats. Despite its rugged protection, the vehicle maintains a low profile and high mobility, enabling it to execute hit-and-run tactics and evade enemy detection. Capable of carrying a small team of operators along with their gear, the Nimr RIV is optimized for rapid insertion and extraction, providing special forces with the speed and firepower needed to achieve their objectives. Whether deployed in hostile territories, border security missions, or urban warfare scenarios, the Nimr RIV ensures that forces can strike quickly and retreat just as fast, maintaining a tactical advantage over adversaries. This versatile vehicle is a key component in modern military operations, enhancing the effectiveness of rapid intervention forces across a wide range of combat scenarios. The Skynex air defense system by Rheinmetall represents a groundbreaking advancement in aerial defense, engineered to protect critical assets from a wide range of airborne threats, including drones, helicopters, and traditional aircraft. At the heart of this system are the powerful revolver guns Mk3, known for their exceptional firepower and pinpoint accuracy. These guns are capable of rapidly engaging and neutralizing multiple targets, ensuring a robust defense even in high-intensity scenarios. Skynex's modular architecture allows for seamless integration with various sensors, radars, and missile systems, making it adaptable to future technological advancements and evolving threats. Its network defense capabilities provide a layered shield, capable of addressing both small and large-scale aerial dangers with ease. With its deployment in Ukraine, the Skynex system significantly enhances airspace security, offering a versatile and reliable solution to counter diverse threats. This cutting-edge defense technology is a testament to Rheinmetall's commitment to innovation and the protection of modern airspace. The Skynex air defense system by Rheinmetall represents a groundbreaking advancement in aerial defense, engineered to protect critical assets from a wide range of airborne threats, including drones, helicopters, and traditional aircraft. At the heart of this system are the powerful revolver guns Mk3, known for their exceptional firepower and pinpoint accuracy. These guns are capable of rapidly engaging and neutralizing multiple targets, ensuring a robust defense even in high-intensity scenarios. Skynex's modular architecture allows for seamless integration with various sensors, radars, and missile systems, making it adaptable to future technological advancements and evolving threats. Its network defense capabilities provide a layered shield, capable of addressing both small and large-scale aerial dangers with ease. With its deployment in Ukraine, the Skynex system significantly enhances airspace security, offering a versatile and reliable solution to counter diverse threats. This cutting-edge defense technology is a testament to Rheinmetall's commitment to innovation and the protection of modern airspace. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, be sure to follow me on social media for more behind-the-scenes content and updates. Thanks for your support. This approach is friendly and encourages viewers to take action while also expressing gratitude.